Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, let's find our missing Fivem application data. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up your file manager on your Windows computer. From here, let's just click on this PC, and then you want to navigate through your C drive where the Windows is installed. From here, most likely the application data will be hidden. So you want to click on the view option and then click on show and make sure that the hidden files is enabled, because if not, your application data or the app data will not appear on this specific folder. So let's proceed by heading over to the users folder. In here, you have your users. Basically, you want to click on your Windows user. And inside this page, we then have the application data. As you can see, this folder is totally hidden, enabling you to navigate through this specific folder if you did not enable the hidden files option. From here, you can then click on local, search for Fivem, and then inside you have the Fivem application data. Now that we're inside, you are basically good to go. We have our Fivem files right here. You have your crashes, your citizen folder, and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.